Luna Park.
I was with you.
Yeah. Bye.
I'll tell you if it's good. Okay.
Yeah.
That's why I'm putting it on my face. Because it's so hot.
It will make you sick.
I don't care, it's so hot.
It's so hot.
This.
Gusta coffee and daddy. And daddy.
Can you open it?
Hi.
Hi.
Mom, can you open it?
Right there. Get first.
Mom. Please, it's so hot. I just want to drink something cold.
Luna Park. Just look at me go walk.
Mom, this is a bad idea wearing these. Look.
No, just yeah. Hala! Hi, Hala! You have fun? Huh?
Not yet. She's gonna have it soon. Not yet. She's gonna have it soon.
It's okay because it will go up.
So you don't fall down.
Oh, Hala, why are you sleeping? Nagutom na si Habibti. Kaya magmakdo muna kami. Sige, you can just check what's inside. Yeah, some of the shop is still closed. $1 for us. So, yeah, you can sit here. Chinese.
Outside, there's Chinese there. There's something.
Okay, let's see.
Come here, Hala, don't go there.
صوتك يسفر قلب ويطير محفوظ مش عاد شوفت مبسمك والمحايا انت انتصرت
Monster truck. We have this crazy dance. I think this we have big space more here. Oh,
I don't want to walk. It's so bumpy. I can't roller skate.
gonna roller skate.
Yeah, and it's
Napolitana. This is the other side. This is a crazy dance. And the other one is Tagada. What is Tagada?
So on the weekend will come as all full.
Yeah. Yeah, because no school, so every weekend always full. This is the other side. This is a crazy dance. And the other one is Tagada. What is Tagada?
So on the weekend will come as all full.
Yeah. Yeah, because no school, so every weekend always full. Then they have restaurant, Napolitan.
But next time need to bring a backpack and put her another shoes inside.
No, because I thought here that the floor is not kind of slippery, but it's not. Grand Canyon and Euphoria Haunted Lot. Oh, they have Euphoria Haunted Lot. Maybe you have there inside. Haunted. You want to go? And good luck, huh? Ah, okay. Euphoria Haunted.
okay. Excuse me, are you okay?
Look at me. Let's take a picture. So we know that it's not very worth it to come here. For one time is enough.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
if it's adult, they can play the adult game.
Yeah,
You know, but each one you have to pay.
that's a problem. Each one you have to pay, so it become too much.
It's not too much, yeah.
We are happy
You will
because
end up paying
2KD.
30 KD one person.
Yeah, we're happy 2KD, but the problem every ride you have to pay. Even you go there inside also. Swan River. There you come. Yeah, it is. Here they have big place to sit. Jungle River. That one is, what is that? It's Sir. And this one rides. And this one here, lake.